All right, guys, in today's video, what we're going to be working on is a problem where the shift knob has come off of the automatic transmission shifter or automatic transaxle shifter. And what you have happen here is you get a little notch on the top and the bottom, and either the bottom breaks off or the top breaks off or they both break off, and this guy won't stay on anymore. And so in order to replace this, you can't get just the button. You have to replace this whole top piece, and that's what I'm going to be showing you. To get access to it, you'll either have like a piece like this to make it like a manual shifter, or you'll have just a chrome piece. It varies on the vehicle, but you're just going to pull this down. Right? And when you pull this down, you expose this little Allen set screw, which is what holds this onto the shaft. We're going to get the appropriate size wrench. We're going to remove this and take this off, and that's all it is to this repair. The replacement one of these is a 227-06232 from GM. It's going to be kind of a double-bagged world part from Slovakia, of all places. Right, and that gives you your new knob assembly, and there's a better view of that little Allen set screw. This is in the all-out position. Now, this repair I'm giving you and this part number is only for three GM vehicles: the Chevrolet Cobalt, the Chevrolet HHR, and the Pontiac G5, as well as some Canadian variants of that, like the Pontiac Pursuit and the Pontiac G4. This technique is probably applicable to other GM cars, but this specific part is only for those three. So let me get the appropriate size set screw wrench, and we'll swap this out. All right, guys, it's a 2.5 millimeter Allen for this particular set screw. So we'll loosen it up with that end, then we'll switch to this end so that we can quickly extract it all the way. Comes off just like that. You can see right here is the hole that it goes into. Take our new one, put it in position. Set it all the way down. Now I'm using a hand tool here. If you have a 2.5 millimeter on a socket, then you'll be able to do the torque value here, which is 2 Newton meters or 18 inch-pounds. If you don't have that, you can do what I'm doing right now, which is Gutentight. Snap this back into position, and the job is done. That's all it takes to fix this kind of problem. So I hope this helps you out. If you got questions or comments, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you found this useful or it got yours fixed and it saved you some money, hit that like button. I'd really appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching.